This week's box is a beautiful collection of natives and wildflowers. We've got the billy buttons, we've got the wattle, we've got gum, we've also got some thrip. We've got the sylvan reds, and you've got a differing collection of natives. I've started with the spinning gum, or the little nutty gum. What you want to do for this arrangement is give the vase a little turn. Next you're going to work with the thryptomene and the other foliage. Again, give the stems a cut and then insert amongst your foliage. And turn this one stem into two. Next I'm going to work with the feature flower. We've got the protea and we've also got the banksia. So we need to reduce the height a little bit of the protea and then nestle amongst the foliage. The second last element we're going to work with today is the leucadendrums. For a bit of fun, we're going to use the billy buttons, trim them all together. You're going to just nestle them through. And there you have it. That's this week's box.